everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Right here, as you can see in this first section, we've got automatic screen off options, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose, and so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently we've got this option, so the 30 minutes option applied, and if you'd like to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.